All right. 1958 Chevy truck. Got ourselves a 283 small block to a turbo 350 automatic transmission, low car shifter, very clean. Patina truck with a clear coat. Interior's been cleaned up and just kind of maintained. I think they put some black on the dash and that's about it. Mechanically sound. I like to call these a mechanical restoration. You keep the patina, you clear coat it if you want. You can just make it run and drive good. Good brakes, all that. Alright, we'll go through some knobs. We got a radio delete, do have a heater. Other than that, it's just headlights, gas pedal, brake. So, park lights, headlights, high beams, indicator works. This is the choke, not connected. It's just a delete button, delete button, delete button. Temperature, or T, could be a met throttle, which we don't have either. These are your floor vents or kick panel vents. They work really good. It's as close as you're going to get to AC unless you put AC in here. Here's your heater control. Turn it on. I do believe I had noise coming out of it. I'm going to shut the truck off. I can listen for the blower motor. No action out of that. Start it back up. Starts up good. All gauges work here. We got half tank of gas. Oh, just about 30 pounds of oil pressure. Amp meter shows we're charging. And temp is just off the cold mark. Lots of room in here. Single visor. Just a very spacious cab. Rearview mirror's nice. All that. Let me tighten my camera mount back here and then we'll go for a drive. Alright. Reverse. Neutral. Every gear change requires the button to be pushed in. It's a nice safety. This truck is lowered, but it still retains the straight axle I-beam style front end. The vent window works well. Transmission has a shift kit of some kind, firmer shifts and all that, which is really what I like to drive, is something with positive shifts and a little hot rod feel. Steering wheel is off center, as you can see. Steers smooth. Got a good horn. Very comfortable driving position. Brakes work great. Manual brakes all around. When they're adjusted well, they work well. Upgraded aluminum radiator for cooling. Had no issues with this one getting hot while I did photos. Thoroughly impressed. Coming in hot, give the brakes a thorough test. They work good. They don't pull. just work good. So left signal self-cancel doesn't work. We'll see if right turn self-cancel works. I think one side works. That way it works. And it could be because the steering wheel doesn't return all the way to center when you turn left. That's actually the very likely the reason. Idle's nice and quiet. Good muffler. You can hear the exhaust, but you're not droning out in the cab or anything like that. That's getting on it. It won't do that squeaking the tire every time, just when you get on it. Power. It's likely a 283 that's bored over just a little bit with the cam and all that. Alright, so I closed the feed vents there, get a sense of wind noise, and there's hardly any. Get a little bit out of this vent window. But honestly, there's nothing annoying about this wind noise. It went away as well. This should be wipers. That's what that should be. Truck just cruises right along, 60 miles an hour, no problem. Really cool color, this dark teal with off-white accents. Plenty of power. We'll test the transmission kick down here. All right. Stayed in third. Barrel carburetor. Might be an aluminum intake, but not a high rise or anything crazy. Very comfortable ride, good seat, good suspension. Again, no clunks or bangs, really enjoyable. Radio delete. Could hide a radio somewhere if you needed to. Great visibility in here. Alright, well that's it for this truck. Check it out at frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call or click the I'm interested button on our website. Go on YouTube while you're there, or if you got some time for me, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Watch another one. All those things help my channel. We will see you next time. Thank you.